My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows by the site flickstab.com. This site is dangerous since it promotes this unwanted browser extension which basically functions as a browser hijacker. This extension would change the default search engine and other settings without the user's permission. So if you see these pop-ups by flickstab.com, be very careful and do not install what these pop-ups promote. I recommend you to leave this page and also to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start carefully researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other types of infections which could possibly still stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to fully clean your entire system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.